This is chapter 15 of my Calc2 textbook that the instructor went over yesterday. The double integral example shows the algebraic solution, but doesn't have a visualization for the integrand. Let's use Maple's PDF import option to create a new worksheet. Great! All texts and mathematical notations are correctly converted to fit on here, and it's so easy now to make everything interactive. For example, I can enter to check the answer of the double integral. Since I don't know the commands to 3D plot, I'll ask the embedded Maple's AI assistant. The assistant can view the Maple document and generate the code I need. This code can be transferred onto the worksheet without copying. And here it is, a beautiful plot that can be viewed in all directions. This gives the intuition I need to understand why the integral evaluates to 0, as the graph is vertically symmetric.